Guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm painting something a little bit different, something that I've actually never painted before. It's this Mercedes Benz. Now I don't even know what it is. All I know, it's a AMG, and the paintwork that I'm doing on it is very minimal. This car is really clean, really tidy. So I'm not exactly sure what it is. I just know that it's got an AMG badge and a GT badge on it. That's all I really know. And that front end is really nice. So I've just driven this from Pakenham, well, Berwick, down to Scoresby down at work, and it was a pretty nice drive, I must admit. It was pretty cool. So what I'm actually painting and repairing on it, you have to get down on the ground, but that scratch there, that's all I'm doing on it. So I'll sand that back with like 240, feather it out, and then we'll prime it. We'll probably bake it, and then we'll rub it all down and paint it. So the beauty about this is that obviously we can mask off inside the door jamb, to mask along the guard where it separates there, and then I think a lot of cars, they have a screw up in here which should pull that side skirt out. Now there is a bit of a gap there, so if I can't find the screw, I'll just mask it off in there, the back mask around the back of the wheel arch there, and paint it. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Masking techniques that I can show you in this video, which are pretty handy, is, oh, I unlocked it, is the soft edge down inside the door jamb there. So that's pretty much it, and then back mask, fold it on top of the door, and that's it. So yeah, we'll get some sandpaper out and we'll get into it.
On the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the bag like here I go again.
Alright, as you can see here, the sill panel's already been primed. So which is a good indication that that's been painted before, that it's not actually original paint on that sill panel. So I'm going to use that to my advantage, and I'm just going to use the DNA Paints Servicer Primer over the top, and then we'll start laying down our silver base coat. We'll blend it at either end, and then we'll use our custom clear on over the top.
I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those.
Alright, so all our prep work's done now. I've washed it all down with water. It's time to now bring it inside the booth. Might be a bit of a tight squeeze. When I painted the XB Coupe, we actually had a heap of trouble getting it in and out of the booth. Now, this is a very long car, I guess, and it's very wide as well. So if you have a look, we've got a heap of boxes up the end, which kind of narrows everything off. You can't really swing a car inside. So we'll have to get the wife, she's here with me today, so we'll get her to watch the doors and guide me in. And yeah, we'll get this car masked up, and we'll start spraying. Alright, made a move in the booth, got it in. It was pretty tight. Yeah, it was lucky that I had my missus here to give us a bit of a guide in. So what I'll do, I've got some prep sol here in a bottle. I want to prep sol everywhere that I'm going to put my tape. So what that will do is basically make the surface really clean, so my tape's going to stick. That's pretty much it. We'll pretty much back mask around all the outside. For the door jamb, I'll use my 18mm tape and I'll run a soft edge down inside and then back mask off that and stick it on the door once the door's closed. Mercedes is all unmasked, it's outside, it all looks pretty good. I ended up painting that sill panel edge to edge with the door and the rear quarter panel. Yeah, I really wanted to just give the car back with everything fixed on it, so I even fixed a couple of stone chips on it as well. So yeah, that pretty much sums up this video. Pretty short video on this job. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on my next video.